Peacock. That's not impressive. Whoa! I'm sorry! Panda. Are you going to share any of that? No? Hello?
Beaver! Hey! Don't leave me!
Tarantula. Whoa! I'm out of here!
Bat! Look at them go! Hey there! I could get used to this.
Frog. A jumping competition. Sure. Hey-ya.
Hey dudes, move up a bit please. Thanks. Baboon. So, what are we doing?
Parrot. Hey, Parrot begins with a P, so does Pluto. Do you know I used to be a planet? Not a pallet. What?
Crab. Look at this cool shell I found. It's brilliant. It's perfect. It's gone.
Swan. What do you mean don't get too close? What? I'm out of here.
Please don't touch animals in the wild.